Yo, my YouTube family, back again with another clip for you guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. My job is just to bring the clips to you and for you to watch it and react and comment and like and do what you have to do. Yeah, so just do that. I'm gonna put the clip at the end, so you guys should watch it. Do your job. Let's go.
Wow, bro. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on?
Double check your seatbelt. Make sure everybody has their seatbelt securely fastened.
Put this thing on the ground.
Folks from the flight deck, this is your captain. Unfortunately, we went through an area of severe turbulence there. It was not forecast. We tried several altitudes to get out of it. We apologize for that. The aircraft, everything is safe and fine. I know that's probably disturbing to go through something like that, and I apologize for it. We're moving down to a safer altitude at this time. We'll update you here shortly. Thank you.
Man, don't update me, man. Put me on the ground.